Hi guys, it's ED back in another video again. So, I just wanted to see today we're going to be trying nature cereal. It's on TikTok, on YouTube, and we have all the ingredients here. My mom's going to be helping me today. So, yeah, come on. We have to put the, so we got blueberries, blackberries here, and red raspberries. All the blueberries. We have like a lot of them.
So we'll put that first.
We got the blackberries too.
What do you want to do first?
Let's put this one.
Go ahead, these are open. You do some. Tell them what you want to put in.
We're gonna put blueberries first.
A couple of spoons.
And we got a spoon.
A couple of spoons. Really? There you go.
Y'all can see them. Yeah. Now we got blackberries. And these are fresh, so don't, you already rinsed them off. Put a little bit of those.
Okay.
And we got red raspberry. We got fresh red raspberry. And wash these too. I got a spoon to get these. See? Red raspberries. Okay. And we got pomegranates. Pomegranates. On the top. Look at that. And these are very good. You can eat these. You can eat these and juice comes out. And we got our 3 ice. And we got our coconut, white coconut. Smells good when you smell it. Sorry, that was my mom. I'm gonna put a little bit of that.
So important.
Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, they still have more in here. I'm gonna get a spoon to eat it.
Stir it up. Hold it up.
I'm very nervous about this here.
Some more coconut.
That's it. Something like that. Let's get it all.
You got every. It's a stem. Just throw that one out.
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
Okay, let's try it.
Is it cold? Just stir it up.
But yeah, it's cold. It's very cold.
So they call this.
They call this nature cereal. I'm gonna eat it.
Tell me what you think.
It's bad.
It's a coconut water.
If y'all like coconut, it's good, but it's bad. It's bad.
In your bowl. Don't let them see you.
It tastes bad. My brother's trying it right now. Ugh. Give me chocolate on my thing. It's bad. I'm eating chocolate right now. It gets a taste out of my mouth. See?
You got all of it. Let me try. Oh my God.
You good?
I just want a little bit of everything.
My mom's trying it right now. Not chocolate. I don't like it. Y'all can go try it yourself.